Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a brand new 2025 Toyota 4Runner and we're going to be removing the front end. First thing we have to do is remove the top plastic trim pieces. So all these clips, you have to actually push on top of them to disconnect them. So I'm just pressing on all the heads. We're going to do the intake first. Awesome. So this is the intake. We're going to put it to the side. So now we're going to do the rest. I'm going to use a screwdriver and just press on all the clips. And we can go ahead and lift it up and put it to the side as well. All right, next thing we're going to loosen these three 10mm bolts. While we're on top, there's three harnesses we have to disconnect. There's two on the passenger side and one on driver. All right, so there's one gray one here. And I'm just going to press on the tab and lift it up. That's one. So on the passenger side, these are the lever style. So you're going to go ahead and prop this and drop the lever down. And that's going to remove the harness. And same thing on this side, you have to squeeze it. It's going to release the lever. Push on the lever to press it down. And that's going to unhook the socket. So now we're going to loosen these fender flares. So now with these clips, we're going to turn them in the vertical position. And I'm going to pry them out. There's one. There's two. All right, excellent. Let's do the same thing on the passenger side. So now let's do the same thing. So same thing with these two plastic clips. We're just going to unclip them and make sure that the inner liner is free. All right, so now we're going to remove two 10mm screws here. And by removing those, this whole mat is detached. All right, so now we're going to remove the two inner 10mm screws. I had to leave the ratchet. It wouldn't fit in here. So I grabbed the hand tool. So you just have to loosen it and then you can do the rest with your fingers. Or you can just use a ratchet, like a hand ratchet. All right, that's one. And the second one's here. Then let's hop on the passenger side. These are the two that we're going to be removing. And this is all free. Let's see what else is holding this up. So now we're going to unclip the fender flares. I'm just going to grab it and just pry it away. There we go. And there's one bolt that we're going to remove here. So same thing on the driver's side. Just unclip this, pry it from the actual fender. And there's one 10mm bolt on the side. So now I'm going to wedge a tool. It's a plastic tool so it won't scratch anything. And you're just trying to unclip the fender from the bumper. And when you pull it, you can see it unclips here. So I'm going to use a plastic trim piece removal just to separate the bumper from the fender and pull on it. And that's going to unclip it. So now I'm going to go ahead and lift on the top tabs and pull forward. And this is how you remove the front end of a 2025 Toyota 4Runner. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got the confidence that you need to do this job yourself. Please stay tuned. We're going to be installing some light bars behind the grille of the 4Runner.